up to $1,355 a week selling ebooks online. Step 4. Now this is the most important step because this is where the money is. But if we're talking about getting to the biggest bag, then thanks HubSpot for looking out for this community by sponsoring today's video. Hey girl, it's been a minute, but if you're on my email list, then you already know why I've been MIA on YouTube. 2 words, ebook money. Because you know where there's money, there's Vanessa. And where there's passive income, there's joy. The one thing about me, I'm never gonna gatekeep. So whether or not your enemies like it, you are getting this information today. In today's video, I'm gonna share step by step how to make an ebook, but not just how to make an ebook. Later in the video, I'm gonna share how to make up to $1,355 a week selling ebooks online. And here are the 4 things you're gonna need to do that. 1, you're gonna need an ebook template. 2, you're gonna need a topic. 3, you have to fill the ebook with content, right? And I'm gonna show you a shortcut, a very easy way to do that. And 4, which is the most important one, we're gonna talk about how to monetize the ebook after you've created it. And the best part about this is that this process can be completed in about 2 to 3 hours. So today, you could have your ebook up and running and ready to start bringing you money. So if you've been searching how to make money online as a woman, how to make money from home, or the best side hustle idea for women, then this is the video for you. The first thing you need is a template. When I started toying with the idea of creating an ebook, I remember one of the things that held me back for a very long time was the fact that I didn't know how to put all the information together into a book. Writing a book, even an ebook, can be a complicated process. And we have other things going on. We don't want to spend a lot of time creating the format by ourselves. And that's why templates are a lifesaver. And you know me, if I'm gonna share a template with you, it's not going to be a random template from Google. No. Today, I have brought you a template from HubSpot. Yes, the HubSpot. I'm sure you already know that HubSpot is the go-to place for all things digital marketing. But what you don't know is that they've been kind enough to sponsor this video. And because of that, you can have access to a HubSpot ebook template for free. 100% free, not 10% off, not 20% off, just free. So girl, here's what you need to do while you still can. Click the link in the description box, sign up to gain access. If you're going to be doing it by yourself, as yourself, just select 1 as number of employees and then hit the download now button and get the template for free. Don't say I never did anything for you, girl. So thanks HubSpot for sponsoring this video. Step 2, you need a topic. What is your ebook gonna be about? Finding the right topic to focus on for anything, whether that's a YouTube channel or a podcast or an ebook or any other digital product or asset, it can be a challenge coming up with what topic you should focus on primarily. But one thing about problems is that there are solutions to them. And one thing about me is that I'm gonna share solutions with you. So the first thing you need to do is list out all the things that you can hold conversations on. What do you care about? It could be motherhood, it could be fitness, it could be cooking, it could be faith, whatever it is, it really doesn't matter. Just list out 10 topics that you care about, that you can hold a conversation about. And then you don't stop there, because we're trying to pick one, right? The next thing you're gonna do is go onto a website called answerthepublic.com, okay? This is a website that allows you to find out what questions people are asking. It will let you know the search volume of the topic you're thinking about. Now, what you want to do is do it multiple times for all the topics you're thinking about, then put them side by side next to each other and compare. And going off of the data that you get from this exercise, pick the topic that people want the most. I know my creative, passionate sisters, some of you want to do things that you care about, that you're passionate about. But if we're talking about getting to the biggest bag, then what you really care about has to match what people want. When you have those 2 things, that's your sweet spot. Number 3, I know it's crossed your mind to make an ebook, and it's been crossing your mind for a long time, but the thought of just sitting down and writing to fill up 100 or 50 pages or however long your ebook would need to be just seems too daunting. But girl, we are in the 21st century. You do not have to do that. There's something called AI. Listen, Google is cool and all. They own YouTube, so I love Google. But when I tell you ChatGPT is the place if you need content, it is. And the reason why I'm saying that is, one, it's free. Two, all you have to do is put in your prompt. So you can say, give me content for an ebook about motherhood, and it will spit out content for you. But hold on, don't be lazy now. After you get that content, don't just copy and paste it into your HubSpot template. You want to spend some time editing and polishing it. It's gonna do a lot of the work for you, but come on, girl. You still have to do some work, right? You still have to use your mind to put your voice into it, change some things around, and make it really yours. However, if you're someone who's like, no, girl, I don't want to use ChatGPT, I don't trust new technology, I want to stay in 2021, I got you, no problem. You can still use Web 2 technology by going to websites like Upwork and Fiverr to find people who would help you write out all the content that you need to fill your HubSpot template and have a complete ebook ready to go. So you have options. Just pick the one that works best for you. Step 4. Now this is the most important step because this is where the money is. Like everything else is just prep for the money, but this is where the money is. Gone are the days when you had to create your own website, you had to create your own social media page, you had to create your own links just to make a sale online. No, we're not there anymore, girl. We're not there anymore. Now, there are platforms like Gumroad, and it is completely free as well. Now, of course, when you make a sale, they're gonna take their cut, but this is how you monetize your ebook. After creating it, set up your Gumroad account, upload your digital product, in this case, it's an ebook, and start making sales online. It's seamless, it's simple, it's easy to do. Here's the thing, you don't have to quit your day job. You can keep your job, but I believe that every single person should make money online. And with the way layoffs are happening right now, you definitely cannot go wrong with having an additional income stream. The truth is, you have options. So don't let any boss, any situation, any relationship, whatever it is that you have going on, make you feel like you're stuck and there's no way out. That's a big fat lie. Whatever it is you're dealing with right now, you would come out of it, and you would come out of it stronger, healthier, and wealthier. Remember that I'm rooting for you. So please do not stop rooting for yourself. And until next time, please take care.